how clean that is. It's like brand new. Then I can put this back in the house so she'll never even know we used it to clean our wheels. The 240. Here's the 300ZX. Well, both of these cars need washed up. We're gonna wash the 300ZX. I'm gonna show you some of the products I use, a few tricks I like to do to keep my car cleaner longer and make it easier to clean next time. First thing we gotta do, we gotta get this car rinsed off. Start on the wheels. I've got a couple different wheel cleaners here. It doesn't really matter. They all work pretty good, but I want to actually just use this one this time. We need a wheel scrubber, and I had one around here. Let me go see if I can find it. All right, well, I couldn't find it, but we have a brand new one of these, and I'm gonna use this and see what happens. Hopefully it's good. Maybe you shouldn't try this. Let me do it. Wish me luck. We're gonna use this to clean our wheels. All right, toilet brush scrubber. Let's see how this works. This is a pretty similar setup to the tire brush I had. It's just longer handle. Oh, I'm actually pretty surprised this thing's actually working pretty good. Just grab it, and it's got a wider than the tire brush I have, and I like this long handle. I don't have to get my hand in there. We can wash the inside of the wheel, get all that crud out of there so it doesn't come right back on. Yeah, look at that. I was kind of half joking. Okay, I was 100% joking around when I grabbed it. I was actually kind of mad I couldn't find my actual tire scrub brush, the long handle and the like wider surface. This is a win. I'm gonna keep using this. This just came from the dollar store. Buy like a couple of them because, you know, you clean your toilet, you don't want to have a dirty toilet brush scrubber. So, well, we had an extra one, and I'm gonna keep one in the garage to wash my wheels up. So as you can see, we brought the car in the garage because the next part we have to do, we don't want the sun on it. We're actually going to put some ceramic coating on that. Guess we're done with this now. We're going to get, I like this one. It smells really good and it works well. I've been using it, and that's a cool neon pink bottle or neon green bottle, so you know it's good, right? All right, we got the ceramic coating all done. I got the windows cleaned with just some Windex window cleaner, so you can figure out how to do that. And the last thing we're gonna do is our tires for the outside. So I hit the wheels with the ceramic coating, body, everything, when the windows are done. The last thing I like to do is tire gel. Not that foam stuff. The foam stuff's cool, it's good. I probably have some in this brush somewhere, and I'll use it on my side-by-side or my truck. I definitely use it. They have bigger tires, so whatever. But on like my car tires, they're a lower profile tire. It's easy just to put it on the applicator, which looks like this and is curved for her pleasure. Doesn't get all over the place. It doesn't get on your driveway. It doesn't get on the sidewalk. It doesn't get on your garage floor. It doesn't get on your car. It goes right to your tire, and I find it lasts a little bit longer. We do need to just let it dry before we drive it. Right, so too easy. I'm just gonna put this purple stuff on there.
Oh, I like purple.
Yeah, and it smells like grape, so you know it's good for your tires if it smells like grape. Hey, you wanna smell?
I can't believe it.
Yeah, it smells so good.
I can't believe it. Ooh, it felt like grape pop.
Yeah, it smells like grape soda.
Yeah,
So,
that too. It tastes like grape pop and grape grape soda too. I'm gonna get it. That's okay.
All right, too easy.
Pop. Then we remember in Idaho we have grape soda.
Yeah, we should get some grape
Orange
soda.
We have orange soda and grape.
We should get some.
On the tire, baby. You should go stand over and smell it.
Ding dong. Come on for that.
All right, so we got a car all cleaned up. We got it washed, wheels washed, ceramic coated, tire gel. There is a couple more spots on the 300ZX, but there's a few spots we need to clean, like the door jambs, underneath the T-tops, the gas tank lid underneath here, and then under the hat. Because even though this is clean right now, pop these things and they just get dirty all the time. Oh yeah, and I also cleaned this car too because we had everything out and she needed a bath, so she's clean. All right, so let's pop those off, wipe those down real quick, and be done with this project. Car is clean now. Look at all this dirt that came out from underneath the hatch, like around the window. This smells like grape. It smells so good. It smells like grape soda. And Claire was like, "Oh, Dad, does this one smell like bubblegum?" So I figured we better smell it. And yeah, it smells like bubblegum. What's up with making car products smell like candy for kids? I don't know. Other than this one smells, I don't know what this smells like, but I freaking love it, dude. This one smells so good. And so I figured we should smell the soap that we're working with too, because it's all like fancy colors. That one does not smell good. That one smells like the skull that it is. But I don't know what's up with all the candy smelling car products. I kind of like it though, so keep doing it. In between like major washes, get yourself a waterless wash and wax is like too easy. Spray this down, knock the dust off a bit with your Biome. Can we see that on the door? California duster. And that sprayless wash, it'll keep your car clean so you don't have to like wash it all the time. All right, let's go see what these cars look like in the sun, all washed up and pretty.